Hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so in this video, let's see how can we use those storage classes available for S3, S3 bucket. Okay, so this bucket I had created earlier, right? I'll just upload a new file. So let me upload this file. Okay, so while uploading the file itself, if I go to properties section, here I can see all those storage classes are available. So by default it's standard which is available, but other options are also available, and we can see uh, if we scroll right the different options given for that storage class. So for example, standard means it will be greater than equal to 3 availability zones, uh, and for other one, maybe for example intelligent tiering, it is also greater than and 3 availability zone, but if we select one zone IA, we will get just one availability zone, right? Similar to that, we will also have the option. So for example, minimum storage duration, maybe I'll scroll down, right? So minimum storage duration, if we select one zone IA, then minimum for 30 days we need to store it. The standard IA also is 30 days, but if we go to glacier deep archive, for 180 days minimum we need to keep it. Okay, and minimum billable object size also this is given. Okay, so that those options are given, and we can select which type of storage class we want to select for this object. So for example, if I select this intelligent tiering, right, so there is no minimum storage duration is given anyways, so I can just select this intelligent tiering, and this is all good. I'll just say upload, right? And here, let me close it, and here we can see now the storage class is intelligent tiering. I can see the properties of this object. If I see here also I can see the storage class, right? It is intelligent tiering, and of course we can edit it again. So if we want to edit again, the same options will be given. You can edit it, right? So that's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.